Hi friends, today we are discussing the concept of introduction of the C programming language. C programming language is written by Mr. Dennis Ritchie. So some of the important features related to our C programming language, that is C is a middle level structured oriented programming language. It is a middle level structured oriented programming language. In general, C programming developed by Mr. Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratory in USA between 1969 to 1973. Mr. Dennis Ritchie is developed the C programming language between 1969 and 73. In 1988, American National Standard Institute has formalized the C language. That means they give a name called ANSI C. The named as a ANSI C in 1988. The C programming language is mainly invented to write Unix operating system. Actually, the C programming is invented to write Unix operating system. Nowadays, we are not using this Unix operating system, but the C programming language is mainly used for to develop the Unix operating system. C is a process of basic command programming language, that is BCPL and B. These two are different languages. See, BCPL and B are the two different languages. They have some additional features to this BCPL and B language and named as a C. After the B letter, it comes C na, that's why they named as a C programming language. Before C programming language, we have BCPL and B language. Adding up some additional feature to BCPL and B language, they named as a C programming. Right. Linux, PHP and MySQL are written in C programming language. These Linux operating system, PHP, MySQL, these are written by using C programming language. Okay. So this C programming language is assembly programming language. It is a assembly programming language. C programming is a assembly programming language. Next, we have discussed the beginning of C used for developing the applications, means where we have used this C programming language. The first one is mainly used for to develop the databases. To develop the database system concepts, we use the C programming language. And second one is language interpreter. Second one is language interpreter. And the third one is compilers and assembler. These language interpreter and compilers and assembler, these are the converters. That means what I am reading and explaining this is in English language. This English language is an high level language. So this system or computer doesn't know any languages. Those are understandable by the human. They doesn't know English, it doesn't know Telugu, it doesn't know Hindi or any other languages. But the system knows only binary language, that is called machine language. Machine language, binary language, both are same. They named in a different. The machine language or binary language is in the form of zeros and ones. So this high level language, this English language can be converted as zeros and ones format by using this interpreter, compiler and assembler. Okay. So the interpreters, compilers and assemblers are developed by using the C programming language. Next one is operating systems. So many operating systems are developed by using this C programming language. The next one is network drivers. All the network related drivers. Drivers means there is no drivers, there is no internet, there is no drivers, there is no printer will work. If you want to print something before printing a paper, we have to install the printer related drivers in our system. Okay, so for the purpose of developing this network drivers, hardware drivers, we use the C programming language. Next one is word processor, that means the MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Microsoft Word processors or Microsoft Office can be developed by using the C programming language. Okay, and some more important uh, points related to the C programming is it is one of the early programming language, that is the first language the human can easily write, easily understand. So we can learn C programming is best programming language in a quicker manner. And C language is a reliable, simple and easy to use. It is a reliable program, simple and easy to use. And C programming is a structured language. C programming is a structured language. That means we have some structures. We have followed some syntax rules. So the modern programming concepts are totally based on the C language. All the modern programming language, whatever the new languages come like C, C++, Java, .NET, these are totally depending on the C programming. The remaining all programs are basically depending on the C programming language. So coming to the, it is a compiled and platforms. That means all C programs can be compiled compulsory. So converting the high level language into machine language will be treated as a binary language. After conversion, the program will be executed. Okay. So some more features of the C programming language are, so it is a C programming is a robust language. Why? Because it contains number of built-in functions. C programming is a robust language. Why? Because it contains number of built-in functions and operators. Okay. C program is very efficient and very fast. C programming is very efficient and very fast. And C programming is easy, highly portable. Portable means we can take from one place to the another place, that is called a portable. So once written in C can be run on the machines with minor modifications or no modifications. Portable means we can write once, that can be executed to other system. Some modifications may be required. Even though no modifications also, the program can be executed. C is a collection of library functions. Library functions means built-in functions, okay, which are added to the library of C programming. C is easily extensible. It is not any fixed code. We can extend the C programming whenever we required. Okay, and main advantages of the C programming. Let's see the advantages of the C programming. C is building block of many other programming language. C is a many building blocks. So, and one more advantage is it is highly portable, and it contains several standard functions like built-in functions. That is also an important advantage. So the collection of library functions and user defined functions which contains in the library. The modern structure could not debugging, maintaining and testing is very easier. These are the advantages of the C programming. Coming to the disadvantages of C programming. The first disadvantage of the C programming is not support the object oriented concepts. C programming does not support the object oriented concept. There is no concept of namespaces in C programming. There is no concept of namespaces in C programming. That means namespaces concept is not supported by the C programming. C does not provide binding, wrapping of the data. Binding and wrapping of the data concepts in C++, it is not supported by the C programming. C does not provide constructor as well as destructor, which is available in C++ and Java. It does not support constructor and destructors. So coming to the limitations of the C programming language. So this is very difficult to debugging. Debugging, it is very difficult. So it allows writing code very freely, putting empty lines, white spaces, everything, because of no fixed place. There is no any fixed place to start or end a line. We can continue to write, we can extend any length of the code whatever we require. That is the most disadvantage. The compiler can only identify errors, incapable of handling exceptions. The main disadvantage is it can compiles, but whenever there is a runtime errors, it cannot be handled by the C programming. Means the concept of exception handling is not supported by the C programming. The concept of exception handling is not supported by the C programming. It is also does not support a reusability of the code. Reusability of code means we can write once and we can use many places at a time. That means we can reduce the time, we can save the time, and we can execute the code very fastly and in a quick manner. So this is the most disadvantages of the C programming. That means reusability of code is not supported by the C programming. Whenever we use the reusability of code, it can be executed very fastly. So it does not provide a data type checking. That means what are the data types we are using, that will not be checked by the compiler. Which type of data we are using, either integer data type, either floating data type, either character data type, either double data types. This feature is not supported by the C programming.